In late November, New Zealand publication stuff.co.nz reported that the Royal New Zealand Air Force would be replacing its Boeing 757s with the Airbus A321XLR. According to planespotters.net, the RNZAF fleet currently consists of 4 Boeing Poseidon P-8 aircraft based on the 737, as well as 2 Boeing 757-200s modified for VIP and cargo operations. So let's take a look at this news in today's video. As reported by Stuff, New Zealand's Chief of Air Force, Air Vice Marshal Darren Webb, announced that the new planes will enhance the force's ability to respond globally, saying, "Strategic air transport plays a vital role for a country like New Zealand, responding to events of any description, whether humanitarian recovery, defence personnel deployments, or important trade delegations, will continue to enhance New Zealand's interest." Webb also noted that the aircraft's extra long-range capacity would improve the safety and reliability of Antarctic missions. The Royal New Zealand Air Force says that its 757s are used regularly for the carriage of VIPs as well as ministerial and trade missions around the world. The Boeing narrow-bodies are crewed by 2 pilots and up to 6 cabin crew. In terms of history, the 2 Boeing 757-200s were received in 2003 and modifications commenced in 2007. Digging into aircraft history, we can see that the jets came from Dutch carrier Transavia and had entered commercial service in 1993. Powered by 2 Rolls-Royce engines, these 757s are fitted with an upper deck cargo door to facilitate an 11-pallet cargo capability. The floor is strengthened in order to carry large and heavy cargo, internal air stairs, and more, and the engines are upgraded with flight deck enhancements, including, quote, full compliance with current global air navigation specifications and standards. It's becoming less and less of a surprise to hear that 757 operators are choosing the A321LR and XLR as newer generation replacements for their aging Boeings. While the 757-200's fuselage is a little longer, the 2 aircraft more or less exist in the same category, with the newer Airbuses able to fly further thanks to more efficient engines. And on the topic of new engines, the big question is whether the Air Force will go with engines from CFM or with engines from Pratt & Whitney. The latter would make sense due to their presence within the Air New Zealand fleet, potentially making component sourcing and logistics easier. At the same time, Pratt & Whitney still suffers from supply chain issues and getting important replacement components to geared turbofan operators. Operators of CFM-powered A320neo family aircraft have had a much better experience operating their jets thus far. Outside of this big question, Stuff reports that the aircraft livery will retain Air Force's distinctive grey colour with a prominent Kiwi roundel. The fleet is expected to arrive and enter service in 2028, with 4-year operating costs projected to be $80.86 million New Zealand dollars, roughly $45.3 million US dollars. What do you think of this move? Let us know by leaving a comment. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.